Hi, this is Dr. Bhojraj from VR Spine. The common myth is exercise is good or bad. Does the exercise damage the spine or make the spine better? So, actually the fact is there is a major difference between exercise and exertion. There are some activities, postures, occupations where you are just exerting, not necessarily exercising. For example, people on heavy manual laborers or people who work in farms outdoor or who lift heavy weights or working in factories and companies, it's a continuous exertion giving rise to bad postures and strain on the structure of the spine and the discs. Whereas exercise is always beneficial for the spine, because what exercise does mainly two things. Number one, it improves your posture, and number two, it strengthens everything around the spine, because the musculature of the spine are like crutches to the spine. So, if you have strong musculature, you could do anything with your spine. So, exercise is always better, exertion is the one to be careful about, and exercise and good exercise and guided exercise through a good rehab specialist is the ideal treatment for most of the back problems. Thank you.